is the day second of my Kochi trip. Checking out at 5 in the morning, then I'm gonna enjoy nature in Kochi today. My quick breakfast from Konbini Family Mart. The first place is Nikobuchi, located upstream on the Nyoto River, which is considered one of the top spots to witness the unreal blue color.
Wish I could fix or change how we operate. I want to levitate with you all my days. Stay high till I'm in the grave.
Just be careful of the steep steps here.
I'll never break. It's cool. Get me up in the sky. I'll be the cat that won't let you down. Get me up in the sky. I'll be the cat that won't let us down. Taking us round and round, ignoring the signals round. Keep on holding the line. Stay lost.
The second place is Yasui Valley, which stretches 10 kilometers long, and by walking its trails, you can enjoy the waterfalls that dot the area.
Get me up in the sky. I'll be the cat that won't let you down. Get me up in the sky. I'll be the cat that won't let you down. Get me up in the sky. I'll be the cat that won't let you down. Just keep taking
I was wondering if I could go up, then I...
Taking us round and round, ignoring the signals round.
I should have made a reservation for SAP. It just costs $40 or something like that here.
Stay lost. Go down, won't let us. Go down, won't let us. Go down, won't let us. Get me up in the sky.
I got a best outside table with him. I love all of it, especially shiitake, karaage, and onigiri here is so nice. I enjoy the best food with this splendid view. After the lunch, I visited also Chinka Bridge. It's designed without side rails to reduce the risk of the bridge being washed away during floods.
I keep running, there's no stopping. 'Cause when I'm with you, I just fall. I keep ducking, confronting. All of your woes ain't my fault. Leave me, baby. Just think about it. Don't keep breaking my heart apart. Leave me, baby. Just be without it. Be without it. We need someone with who to chase your dreams forever. You know I'm not the one, and separate is better. We need someone with who to chase your dreams forever. We need somebody different.
Hirome Market feels like a festival every single day. We can enjoy so many local and international foods here.
Leave me, baby.
Right after I got sushi, I found this amazing outside ramen restaurant. Then I couldn't stop myself eating ramen.